my name is Lena. I go to Aurora Middle School, and today we're going to be doing hands-on equations. So first, just so we know the basics, this is the opposite of x, pretty much just one pawn. This is x, one pawn. This is a negative constant, and this is a positive constant. So our first problem today is going to be 4x plus 3, and then 2x plus 7. So first thing you're going to want to start off with is I want to get rid of the 3 and keep the 7. So we're going to be adding two negative 3's to each side. The first thing so of course, taking these away. And this would make 0 because positive 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So then you're going to this all together would make 4 because if you minus 7 minus 3, you get 4. So then you're going to grab positive 4, and now we want to get rid of this. So we're going to be adding, we want to get rid of these. So we're going to be adding 2 white pawns to each side. And just as I said with the numbers, it also works for the pawns. So these would both make zeros using both of your hands, the same on the exact same side. A blue pawn and then an opposite of x pawn, and just x would make zeros. These would make zeros. So then that's 2x is equal to 4, which means that 1x would be equal to 2, so x equals 2. Okay, so the next problem is going to be negative 3x plus 2 is equal to negative 10 plus x. So we have a problem laid out right here. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we want to get rid of this 10. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding positive 10 to each side. So once you do that, that means that this is a 0, again, because a negative plus a positive constant is equal to 0. The next one we're going to do is this one, which is equal to 12, so make it 12. And the next thing is these 3 white pawns, we want to get rid of this one, so we're going to be adding a white. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing is we need to get rid of anything here. So pretty much we're going to be adding 3 blue pawns to each side. So if you add 3 blue pawns to this side, these all make the answer of 0. Same with, this one. And now we actually, because we added 3 blue pawns over there, we have to add 3 blue pawns over here. And that's 4 is this. So if you take this away, then 1 pawn would be equal to 3. There's your answer, x equals 3. Okay, so the next problem we're going to be doing is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x. That is equal to 2x plus negative 3. So here's our problem. We have it all set up, and the first thing that I see that we can do is take away this pair of 0, because of course, a positive x plus the negative or opposite of x altogether equals a 0. The next thing we're going to want to be doing is getting rid of these ones. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a positive 3 to each side. So let's find ourselves a positive. We're going to find ourselves a positive 3 and add it to each side. So this is equal to 0, obviously. And then this all together would equal 8. So now you have 8, but now you need to get rid of these. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding 2 blue pawns to each side, because that's a legal move and you can do that. So there's 2 right there, 2 right here. Like I said, these equal 0, so they can both be taken away. You have 4 is equal to 8, and if you divide both of them by 4, you would get that x is equal to 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope your day is positive.
Why?